Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these boxers. This style is so popular on Instagram right now, so I will show you how to make them. Since we're working with cotton, I strongly recommend you to wash your fabric before using it because it can shrink a bit and it's better to wash it and put out the pattern on the fabric afterwards. In the instructions, you will find a detailed layout on fabric for the pattern. You have to fold the fabric in half and then pin on or trace the pattern. So here I have two front pieces and two body pieces. I cut out my waistband later, but if you want to, you can do it at the same time. So I'm connecting one of the front pieces face towards face with the body piece, and then I also put another front piece, so the body piece should be in between the two face pieces, as you can see here. Pin the pieces together, all three pieces, and then overlock them together. If you don't have a serger or an overlock, you can of course use a zigzag stitch. And now we're going to connect the other body side to the front. So face towards face. And then I recommend you to pin those pieces together. So to be able to connect the other front piece, I roll the fabric so it will fit in that small pocket, and then I connect the front piece with the two pinned pieces that we had. So just use the same pins and pin together the three pieces. Can be a little hard to overlock that stitch, but it's possible. Just make sure that the fabric that's inside do not get stuck on that stitch. When you've done the both sides, just turn the garment right side out. This step is easy to do. And now you should press that front piece, because we're going to understitch it, and it will help you not to get folds on the front piece. So here I'm making a stitch around 1 or 2 millimeters from the seam. Just regular stitch all the way down. We're securing the seam allowance inside of that pocket. And then when you're done with this stitch, you have to make another stitch, but you will have to make it around 0.7 or 0.8 centimeters from the seam. So the first stitch, 1 or 2 millimeters from the seam, and the second 7 or 8 millimeters from the seam. When you're done with the front, we're going to pin together the two back pieces. Just pin it together and serge them together. Now I'm connecting the bottom front and the bottom back. So put that seam in the middle back to the middle front and just pin it together and serge. So now it's time to make the waistband. So when you have cut out the piece, you have to fold it in half or in the middle and then press, and then you can serge together the sides. If you want to, you can serge together the sides and then fold the waistband in half. You can use the waistband as it is, but if you want to, you can add an elastic band also. So as you see, the elastic band should be the same size, the same length as the waistband. I used 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters wide elastic band. So I just zigzag stitch it on the sides. And now, before we're going to connect the shorts with the waistband, I'm making 4 similar marks on the waistband. So you can see I folded it in half and I'm making the mark. Now I'm connected that mark with the side and making another marks. So 4 of those on the waistband. And you will need to do this step also on the boxers. If you're using an elastic band, at this point you should put that in to the waistband. Now it's time to connect the boxers with the waistband. So connect them on the 4 marks that we recently did. If you want to, you can connect, like pin together the waistband and the boxers all the way around. But if you feel safe with serging without it, you can do it even without it. Please do not cut off the threads. Just take a needle, put the threads inside and put it inside of the serger seam, because then you will be sure that you will not get any opening on that seam. Now just press that seam downwards. Here I'm creating a hemline. So there should be 2 centimeters from the edge. Just mark it all the way around the leg on both sides. And before pressing, turn the garment wrong side out and then press because it will be easier for you to do it all the way around. You can go straight to the sewing machine at this point, but I usually use a glue trim. So I put it inside of the edge and pressing. This step will prevent the shorts to roll up. So here you can see that I have a double needle side of the machine and I'm using a magnet. And this stitch should be at 2 centimeters from the edge. So using a double needle, I go all the way around that leg. And here is the end result. This is a easy and fast project, so even beginners can make it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know if you would like to see anything else. Thank you guys. Bye.